Forza 1, yeah, then that's with Justin.
Either way, their coach annoys me. So
Really? She is mean.
I haven't seen her smile in like 3 tournaments. I see her every tournament.
Oh, she does.
Always has a bitch look on her face.
Like last time we were here and they were on this court,
Yep.
she told the girls, she like, you guys get no break until you get up. I'm like, damn!
Hi. You're Jaden's mom, right? I'm Jaden's mom. Marianne.
How are you?
Good. I was just telling your daughter that we when I saw you pass by, I said, oh,
Yes, Annabelle. Good serve. Watch the tip. Oh, no. She's good at that, but she just makes mistakes. The net is too high. That's a joke. Let's go. Good pass. Good pass. Let's go.
yeah, that's what I told you because when I
Come on, Brewster.
you said, oh, it's Jaden's mom.
Yes! It was over.
I'm glad that
Yes, she was. We'll take it. We'll take it. Doesn't matter. It's just he's going to stick to the score.
Good call,
Oh,
man.
that's it. That's her husband now. Oh, that's my husband now. I'm Jade's mom. Marianne.
Who's mom?
Jade.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. Number 5.
Sweet.
She says that I can have that too. She's so doing
I wish it wasn't this it doesn't serve
Go,
for
Brooklyn.
Yeah, yeah. Good serve. Yes, ma'am. I don't think anybody's sitting here.
One person is.
That one person's here, but I don't think anybody's here.
Okay.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Come on, Jaden, get up.
Watch the tip. Watch the tip.
Get up. Let's go. What are you doing?
It's okay. It's okay.
No, it's not. That's my daughter. I talk to her.
I know. You didn't know how to get under her head.
Sandy is welcome.
Come on, let's go. Let's go. Good pass.
Nice, Sierra. Nice, Sierra. Good. Nice. Nice shot, Sierra.
The coaches, he can't read me. I'll be like, how is not one hitter? Block her. Tip!
Sierra. Got her. Let's go. Nice job, girl.
Don't be mean, ladies. Let's just win. Let's win it.
Let's go, Charlie.
We're winning. Well, even out.
Nice.
Yeah!
That worked.
Alam mo, gusto ko kasi maintindihan sa mga to. Like,
Watch it.
Itong batang ko, simple lang, pero...
Si Annabelle, yeah.
Charlie.
Oh, yeah.
Ay, wala si Ayla pala, no? Si Ayla.
Oh, yeah, wala. Wala.
Oh, Charlie!
Yes! Woo! Hindi niya, she didn't know that was short. She's like, what?
Their coach is so pissed.
No, but it's funny when Charlie, she's like, what?
Ayun yung may ugali sa akin.
Good job, Charlie.
Kita mo yung bata mo. Hindi naman yung lumalang.
Yes!
Good job, Charlie! Let's go, Charlie!
Now the coach be like, yo. Ang tingin niya eh. He's like,
So, Charlie.
Coach siya natin. Ang saya-saya.
ay!
Kasi innocent.
Hindi natatawa ko doon sa coach, yung mata niya.
Hindi, may ano yung pinay niya. May animal ba yun?
Hindi, yeah, meron siyang ano, pero na yung kung paano niya yung mga
Hindi.
nababasa mo lang, gumalaw kayo. Pero hindi na sinasabi. Hindi pa kuha kayo sa tingin.
Tapos gano'n na nga siya bumingin. Gano'n pa yung konti na kami. Uy, hindi ka dito. Mandita na ako dito.
Go, 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 go! That's a double. That's a double.
Lalagpatin na ako dito.
Get out of your head, Jaden. Let's go.
Let's go, Brusa!
Lalagay
You ready?
Good pass! Let's go!
Out!
Good job.
It was out!
Good night, girls!
What? That was out.
Yeah, may messages. Let's go, Jules!
Go on
Go,
three.
Jules.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Let's go, Jules!
Why did she make her serve over there? Come on. Dito niya gusto, pinauso niya eh.
Si Coach. Ay, siguro may pinapatira siya.
Wag, manalo muna tayo.
Bumuyo siya sa mga.
O, tingnan mo ano nangyari. Good pass! Let's go!
Let's go, Brusa!
Yes! We'll take it!
Let's go, Sienna!
Let's go, Sierra.
You will be grounded. No, no, no.
Hindi kaya tapos yung lumalim.
Pumayat?
Umamay ko. Ano, wala yung sisihin guys.
Oo, yeah. Nawala yung baby.
They're from Ontario.
Yeah, so they are.
Oh,
They're not
Bibigay kayo 1-7. Narinig niya ako, bigyan mo kayo 1-7. Mali eh.
let's go, Alexa!
So, Alexa.
Malamig naman. Malamig na. Naka-aircon na tayo. Ganda naman.
bibigay niya kay Juan Sel. Yan ang kaya ni coach. Kung nakita ko yung kamay niya. Let's go! Good pass! Let's go!
Nakakatanggap naman.
Good job, Breeze.
The baby goes to me. Let's go, Annabelle!
Hindi ako nakapagdala ng extra ng bote ng tubig.
$2.
Ilang version ng Zoom ko, 5.
Tip, tip!
Ay,
Alright.
Pababa na siya. Pababa na siya.
ano naman nagpalo nila ito ngayon? Kasi nga yung nakaraan, parang unfair yung yun ang natatanda. Kanila na yan. Kanila na. Tapos na nagbilang sila na.
Oh yeah, bibigyan niya kay Juan Sel. Good pass, ladies! Let's go!
Let's go, Brusa. Another 17, yep.
Yeah.
Come on, Charlie.
Yes,
Nice.
Charlie!
Good job, girl.
Buti na lang hindi
Mas
sila.
gawin na ako.
Very good.
She's like, oh no, she's giving it to me.
Let's go, Brooklyn.
Let's go, Brooklyn!
Watch the tip, tip, tip!
Good.
Umano siya. Hindi
Hindi,
siya
at
dito.
saka dapat bago naman. Bago siya kasama. Hindi, I mean yung bago pa siya dumating.
Yeah, yeah.
Nandun siya dapat. Kasi ano ko, nandun lagi siya sa malapit at ano. Ang pakalam yung parang yung bola. Yung sa likuran siya lagi na siya.
Good pass, let's go! Good pass! Go, Brusa!
Let's go, Brusa.
Corner siya, magaling mag-corner. Bibigyan niya kay Shelby. Bibigyan niya ulit kay Jay dyan. Pow, 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 pow! Let's go!
Move over.
Tip, tip, tip! Locker, locker!
How do you miss that call, Ted?
Yung kaya nag-aalang ang bumibig. Yung nakakalimutan.
How do you miss that call?
Yung si Red Sarah, hindi siya yung
Terrible.
hindi siya ba? Yeah. Kaya ba si Charlie makapansin mo yung siya. Kahit gano'n kalayo. Kahit nasa kanya na, mas malayo kang siya. Hindi niya kinukuha talaga. Out!
Good call.
Kasi kailangan din nila makita yung mga cellphone na sila kinuha niya.
Oo.
Kasi nahihirapan tumakbo
Luis, good job.
Hit the ball. You're okay. Keep your head up.
Let's go, Brusa. Brush it off. Come on, girls.
Keep your head up.
We got this. Nice.
Oh, Zoe.
Nakakaswerte yan si Zoe minsan. Nice!
Come on. And they're caught up. It's all right.
Let's go, Brusa.
Nice.
Nice. There you go.
You better make this serve, God damn it. Go force it!
Kita mo si Jules. Hindi siya sa gilid. Ha? Si Jules. Hindi siya sa gilid na kapatid. Kasi gusto niya may space talaga siya. Ang masasabi ko si Charlie, lagi siya nandun sa likod niya. Lagi siguro ginagawa niya guide. Hindi ba noong una, lagi siya nag-step sa nanay.
Ewan ko, nag-iiba serve niya eh. I don't get it.
Sino? Si Jules?
Yeah.
Dapat labas ba?
She hasn't served good at all this
Ano nangyari?
it was out. That's double hit, man.
Yes! Let's go, Sheila!
Go Sierra.
Uy! Yeah.
What the fuck, Archie? Ngayon, may stress mga parents. Don't stress. Let's go, good pass. That was a good round.
Disconnect.
Ang ingay natin. Diba? Pati silang salba. Makikita mo kung ano yung tiwala ng mga bata. Kanina sila tumama. Siya wala, si anak ko, wala siyang problema. Alam niya lahat kung nasa makakatira lahat. Good pass, let's go. Yes!
Yes.
He was in!
No, he called it out.
Kasi nga, kinall-up na.
He should get the line judges.
Yeah, exactly.
Technically.
But I don't understand it. How do we as parents pay this much money for this sport and they don't have enough umpires? I don't get it. I don't get it.
There's only on our time. One guy's doing the whole thing. We're gonna come.
I don't get it. They charge this much money.
Right.
You can't hire 1 people per game.
All right, ladies, let's go. Good pass, good pass.
Come on, girls! Let's go, Brusa! No third set.
Higher.
I think the amount of money they charge, they should have plenty of money.
Come on, Brusa! You got this, Brusa! Girl power! Come on, Brusa!
He said girl power. Yeah, use this opportunity.
Let's go, Riz! Nice, Riz! Let's go, Riz! Let's go!
Hindi coach nasa pader lang. Kanya bahala kayo.
Wala si Kanila. Out!
Good call.
Let's go, Riz!
Come on, Reese, keep it going, girl.
Mami.
Para sa pass.
Yes, sir.
Jules is silly.
Let's go, Riz!
Ang tagal niyang umalis sa head niya.
There's another one.
Let's go, Riz!
That was shocking. We haven't lost in a long time.
Let's go, Brewster.
She's a good closer. She's a good, yeah.
Thank you.
No, we're staying here. We're staying here.
Still here.